How to restrict calls to specific numbers or prefix on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So let's start the video. First of all, go to App Library. So here click on Phone App. In Phone App, click on this three dot icon and click on Settings. Now in Call Settings, scroll down and click on Supplementary Services. So after click on supplementary services, you will see last option is fixed dialing numbers. So after click on fixed dialing number, click on unblock pin 2. So enter pin and click on app the end list and click on this three dot icon. Click on add. So add name, add number, and enter pin. Click on save, you will see. So after the process, go back to home screen, refresh phone. So that's how you can restrict calls to a specific number or text on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So if you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.